We're at 9402 Beverly Crest Drive. We are inspecting the main sewer line after the repair has been done. So this is gonna be the after video, after everything looks beautiful. We pushed the camera approximately 25 feet to the main sewer line. We're pulling it out now. Our point of entrance is a 4-inch cleanout, an ABS cleanout, plastic cleanout. That's located again roughly 20 feet from the main sewer line. So we're almost out of the cleanout. One more yank and we're out. Okay, I'm stopping the recording. Did I stop? I didn't stop.